Hi, I'm Eli. I'm a product design engineer here at Sensio, and today I'm going to talk to you about our Titan Plus wireless sensors and how they work together as a family. Here we have the PIR sensor, which is a seamless way to turn on your lights without any interaction. While the PIR is great on its own, you could also upgrade your setup by integrating a touch or IR sensor to easily control brightness and dimming. This is the door sensor. It's great for illuminating spaces such as cupboards, wardrobes and drawers. To enhance your setup, you could also pair an IR sensor, or in this example, a touch sensor to control on, off and dimming. Whether you're using a PIR for seamless light activation, a door sensor for in cupboards or wardrobes, or an IR or touch for more precise lighting control, this family of sensors allows you to maximise the lighting in your space.